So I just started this one, so let's open it with a double spread, shall we? And I'm kind of in the mood to do retro. So let's see what we have. Oh, I love her. Just love her. That's an interesting picture. I looked through thrift stores for old books about, one of them I had was about opera and opera singers. It was just awesome. Oh, I like her. And I like that one. These are amazing. See, this is from the old opera singers book. I have a bunch of those. Let's see what we've got so far. And yes, I tend to sort the moods of the pictures I collect, like the magazine clippings and stuff. I tend to sort them by mood. Okay, so she needs to be clipped. I love working on craft paper like this brown paper. To me, it's just such a lovely texture. It's kind of heavy duty. It's just tough, and it partially reminds me of my childhood. My grandmother used to save every bit of brown paper she ever came across. I don't know if that was a thing for, she was born in 1890, so I don't know. But I know brown paper and string were two things she never threw out. Never. Do any of your creative habits come from like family habits, or were your family members also creative, things like that? Let me know in the comments. I'm always interested in hearing about people's past. Guess that's not surprising, being an historian, which was what my long ago uni degree was, history, ancient history. So, and as far as crafts go, when did y'all start? Were you kids? Like, did you really enjoy crafts as kids? I know my mom was very big into having me and my sister sit down, and we'd all make something. She was big on making something, like handmade Christmas gifts and things. She was big on that. And on this, normally if you watch many of my vids, you'll notice that most of my glue book pages and collage pages cover all the background paper, whatever it is, whether it's from the lined notebooks or sketchbooks or any other thing I use, magazines especially, you cover up the background. But on this, because I absolutely love the craft paper, not only the color of it, but it's almost got a visual texture to it, kind of a rough paper texture. So I'm thinking maybe I would like to actually keep some of the background showing, you know. I don't know, but I love pictures like this. Okay, that one definitely has to go there. I don't know about her. What about her? Is she a better choice? No, I love the girl in tan. Okay, so where is my glue pad? And again, I just cut whatever magazine I've already completely decimated with pulling images out. I tear them in half and use them for background for gluing, and then just turn the page when it gets too full of glue. They're really handy to use that way, and like I always say, and they're still recyclable, which I love. All right, so this one seems to just perfectly fit right there. It's always nice when the first thing you put down fits beautifully. Yeah. Now we're going to turn this because this is a bigger sheet, a bigger picture. So I love, I guess as you can tell from my videos, I love creating different kinds of scrapbooks, glue books, collage, whatever you want to call them. Things, books where you put your thoughts and images you find that you like and artistic abilities and all of that. That book. And I love finding different ways to make them, to create them. So you'll see that on my channel. I just and I'm working on the habit of not always finishing different books. I'm really working on that because I absolutely love using different ones and starting new ones. I'm terrible for that. So yeah, it's a thing. You'll see me start all kinds of new stuff, new projects, new types of books, new things I've tried to make, but it always comes down to just starting something new, or you wake up in the middle of the night and you go, that sounds like fun. Now, usually I play music in my headphones while I'm doing these videos, but I haven't been lately because I've been talking through them. So, just let me know which way you enjoy them more, with the sped up and background noise, or do you like me to chitter chatter the way I'm doing? I really like this book. Like, I'm really enjoying the feel of this. So you should try making one for yourself and make it to your own feeling, the covers and everything. And you can make them as long as you want. That's why they're called, well, I don't know what they're called. I call them infinity journals. I may have heard that somewhere. I'm not claiming that that's my invention, honestly. I don't know. All I know is that that's what because I've made little tiny ones that are super long, like stretch all the way across, and they're just really fun to make and create. I really enjoy them. And you don't have creases down the middle of the page because the page isn't creased into something. It's just folded, So, with bicycles up here, down here, this girl up here for sure. And I've been going nuts so lately with the whole Victorian stickers. Oh my God, they have some gorgeous Victorian style stickers. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I need something right here. What do I want, folks? What do I want? We could put her for sure. Yep, she will fit. Yep. Oh, and I'm glad I left some of the background because I really love the look of the craft paper. I guess that's why I'm attracted to things like cardboard and, corrugated cardboard and stuff. I just love this whole shade, and I don't know. There we go. Yes, I like that. Okay, that works beautifully. Have some fun with your infinity journals. Play, make them as long as you want, and enjoy. See you on the next video.